Before you start the insertion, make sure to use a Provox Vega voice prosthesis with the right shaft diameter and length. Make sure the prosthesis is properly positioned on the insertion pin. The pin should be firmly attached to the safety strap and pushed all the way into the blue ring of the prosthesis. Make sure the insertion pin is positioned all the way into the folding device and has clicked in place. Squeeze together the two sides of the folding tool to fold the esophageal flange. Attach the loading tube to the folding tube by twisting the tube until it locks into place. Push the insertion pin forward until the blue ring of the prosthesis aligns with the visible ring on the loading tube. Now the voice prosthesis is ready for insertion. Enter the puncture with the loading tube tip. Hold the loading tube stable with one hand, while at the same time using this hand to maintain contact with the patient's chest or neck. Place thumb and finger of your other hand on the ribbed surface of the insertion pin's distal grip area. Push the insertion pin until your thumb has reached the blue folding tool. Now the esophageal flange is correctly unfolded in the esophagus. Keep a firm grip on both the loading tube and insertion pin. Pull both the insertion pin and the loading tube with folding tool straight out from the puncture until you feel the esophageal flange has reached the anterior esophageal wall. Then continue to pull out the loading tube with the folding tool. This will unfold the tracheal flange. Gently rotate and pull the insertion pin to make sure the prosthesis is in the correct position. Pull the insertion pin out from the voice prosthesis and leave it attached to the safety strap. Brush the voice prosthesis with a Provox brush. Ask the patient to speak and to drink to check that the voice prosthesis works. Place the prosthesis so that the safety strap is pointing downwards. Cut the strap while it is still attached to the insertion pin and remove the insertion pin together with the strap. The Provox Vega voice prosthesis is now ready for use.